vlogging thing. Hey, what's up, folks? Please ignore the pimple. I'm kind of stupid. Oh wait, that's irrelevant. Well, today was great. Today I went to math class early in the morning until 10:50, and then I went to my first day of work at my old school. I went there and basically had training all day, and then I had lunch, and I met some cool coworkers that I never even knew existed. Well, that'd be kind of creepy if I knew them, but I knew some of them, so I guess not. Now I'm just chilling at home, and I'm gonna do some homework and watch Survivor tonight. And let's see, are they merged? That's irrelevant. Oh my gosh, you guys want to see my cat? Wow! This is Snickers. Say hi, Snickers. Oh, she fits. Okay. So basically, I had a really good day, and started work at a place that I'm pretty happy at. If you do vlogs or some sort of videos, anything actually, leave it as a video response, and I'll be proud to watch it. Well, not proud, that doesn't make sense. I'll be happy to watch them, basically. That's my friend's text tone. Bye, folks. Have a good day. Stay ratchet. And, oh, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Bye.